Welcome to JH. DirtMonkeyShop.com is an online store for those who enjoy playing in the mud with expensive toys. I mean, professionals in landscaping, construction, and outdoor maintenance. If you're the type who finds rugged equipment more attractive than a sunset, this site has likely popped up on your radar. But the million-dollar question remains. Is it a legitimate business or just another digital mirage? Let's dive in and see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. First, we looked at their domain registration. The site has been around for over a year now, which is a surprisingly long time in scammer years. Most fraudulent sites have the lifespan of a housefly before they vanish into the void, so the fact that Dirt Monkey Shop is still standing adds a nice layer of credibility. Apparently, they haven't felt the need to take the money and flee to a non-extradition country just yet. Next, we checked their social media presence. They're actually active on Facebook and Instagram, engaging with followers and posting updates. This kind of transparency is a big plus because it's much harder to be a ghost when you're busy replying to comments. It shows they aren't just hiding behind a keyboard in a dark basement, which is always a comforting thought when you're buying heavy-duty gear. Then we looked for the man behind the curtain. The website proudly features Stanley Dirt Monkey, Genedek, and even links to his personal Instagram. When a company openly shows who's running the show, it instantly feels more trustworthy. It's a lot harder to pull a fast one when everyone knows exactly what your face looks like. At the very least, we know there's a real human being to blame if your order doesn't show up. As for customer support, they provide both an email and a physical address. In the world of sketchy online retail, having a physical location is practically a luxury feature. It means if something goes sideways, you have a place to send your strongly worded letters. This level of accessibility suggests they actually value their customers, or at least they aren't afraid of them showing up at the front door. Now for the tricky part, the reviews. The testimonials on their own website are glowing, suspiciously so, like they were written by the owner's very proud mother. To get the real dirt, we checked Trustpilot, but it was a total ghost town. No reviews there. Then we headed over to Reddit, where things got weird. People were talking about Dirt Monkey constantly, but they were referring to the dubstep DJ. Unless you want your power tools to come with a heavy bass drop, that wasn't exactly helpful. So, what's the final verdict? Based on the domain age, the visible owner, the active social media, and the solid contact info, DirtMonkeyShop.com appears to be a legitimate and trustworthy site. Sure, the external reviews are currently as rare as a unicorn, but all the other signs point to it being a safe bet. If you found this review helpful, do the usual internet dance. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.